Welcome to Parker Boat Rebuilding Nightmare, episode number 10. Going to be getting some fiberglass down on the deck. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. So what we're doing here is ripping the sides, that way it feathers in real nice without making a big lip. When you put the board down on it, it kind of keeps it from ripping all the way in. So we're starting with a 60-inch piece, then going with a 55.5, and then a 50. That way we got the glass staggered for overlapping, but we don't have everything on one seam. So we thought we were going to glass the floor this morning, and the first time in the entire project, the roof was all wet, dripped all over the floor. So we're really excited about getting glass on it, but I guess we're not doing that today. We pre-cut all the glass before we put it down. We found some rolls and some broomsticks and stuff to roll it on like a scroll. A little bit tricky, but ended up working pretty good. We got the fans going. We plan on tabbing in the sides on the first piece. The rest of it's all going in full lengths. I'll be doing a 50, a 55, and a 60, and then a chop on top. I'm not looking forward to this. So we did end up tabbing in the first 60 inches because we had a lot of obstacles in the way. And then the rest of it, we had glass come down the side, across the floor, and up the other side. Solid pieces, no tabbing needed. We did roll out 3 layers of biaxial and 1 layer of chop all at one shot. A lot of people say not to do that because you'll get a lot of waves in it, but if you're careful with your roller, it's really not bad. It turned out really nice. We did like 75–80% of the boat like that. We got tired, and the next day when we finished it, we did a layer, let it get hard, did a layer, let it get hard the whole way through. And to be honest, it didn't turn out a whole lot better than just doing it all at once. And you use a lot more resin that way. So if I ever had to do it again, I would definitely try the scroll method again. It worked really well. So in this video here, you can really see how we staggered the glass. Even though we're rolling out, 4 different rolls at once, they're not all ending on the same spot. The seams are all in different areas. You always want to make sure you got plenty of overlap. That way you can get a good, strong product. Day 2, strong as strong. Ran out of energy, it got late. Got a 4-foot strip to do yet. Not today, tomorrow. Well, the first one was a nightmare. got it down, but did a lot of work. Well, I thought I had my video on, but I didn't. So, I got this piece all done. If you're wondering what it is, it's a whip. Man, only one way to keep a crew in line, that's with a good whip. So we're using the whip as a base to glass the cabin down to the deck. Originally they had took the cabin, screwed it into some wood, and screwed the wood into the deck. And then it shook back and forth till it wore holes in the floor and let water get into the deck to destroy the whole deck. Ever since I've glassed it down, that boat is insane strong. Why they don't do this from the factory beats the heck out of me. I guess they just don't like strong boats. So on these steps, they were also screwed to wood, which was screwed to the floor, and then it just vibrated till it wore a hole all the way through the floor, letting water in. Video got a little fuzzy here, but you can see it glasses to the deck. That, my friends, is how you build a strong boat. So I'm getting ready to glass 2 layers on this piece of Kusa. So I got somewhere to mount my battery switches and my little fuse panel that I got for the stuff in the back. We'll do it outside of the boat and then just tab it in, maybe put some putty and try to just stick it into place. Probably not going to video it in there because it's such a tight hole to get in, but that's the plan on that. We got something to drive some screws through so we don't screw out the side of the boat. Got Hurricane Adalia, or however you pronounce her, heading our way. Let's just hope all is well. My parents got some boats up in Madeira Beach. Talking massive storm surge. People don't know what the fishermen go through. It's nonsense. No insurance. Can't get insurance on these babies. No one wants to insure commercial boats. Probably for a good reason. Well, I cut a piece out of the back deck for my bilge access hole. Got some thick glass on the top side. 1 layer on the bottom. Guarantee I won't have to worry about any traps knocking holes through that. That's going to be nice. Every year, be moving traps, have them stacked up 5-6 feet high, and a rogue wave will hit you and knock a trap over. They got concrete floors, and the concrete knock a hole into the deck. Not anymore. They're going to bounce. It's really not that heavy either, considering all the glass that's on it. That's what we were shooting for. Got our first feeder band going through clear skies to the north. Storms are coming. And oh man. I think we're going to wrap this video up for right now. The next video we're going to be doing the gel coat, some wiring, and I think it's a pretty cool splatter job. I've had a lot of haters, I've had a lot of lovers, so I guess you'll have to wait and see. Cast your vote then. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.